Alabama Governor Kay Ivey signing a measure sponsored by Baldwin County State Senator Chris Elliott. It gives workers options to not get the vaccine.
The new law requires companies to allow workers to claim a medical or religious exemption. We've got our investigative reporter Brendan Kirby on this, digging into the details to break it all down. Brendan.
The mandate is Byron and Lenny. Senator Elliott says he thinks he's found a way to thread the needle, and a legal expert I talked to says that it likely will pass muster. The new law took effect immediately with Governor Kay Ivey's signature. No employee can be fired for refusing the vaccine if he or she has a medical reason or a deeply held religious belief against vaccination. Companies can appeal, but they will have the burden of proof in showing the employee's claim is bogus. State Senator Chris Elliott, who represents Baldwin County, says he crafted the law to protect workers without conflicting with the federal vaccine mandates.
What we've done here is an innovative approach to work within the federal mandate. Because of the supremacy clause of the Constitution, I'm not able to stand up and fight that. What I am able to do and what we've done here is broadly define the exemptions and exceptions under Alabama law that these folks can claim.
Paul Horowitz is a University of Alabama law professor who teaches constitutional law and religion. He notes that federal law has provisions for medical and religious exemptions to vaccine requirements. He also points out that companies do retain the ability to challenge an exemption claim.
An employer that is concerned about safety or concerned about policy or concerned about the effect of the federal law, seems to me, can still ask for some basis for the religious claim.
Senator Elliott says he included that appeals process specifically to withstand a possible legal challenge, but he predicts few employers would be able to override an employee's claim. The Business Council of Alabama opposed this legislation. The lobby organization released this statement arguing that opponents should fight federal mandates in court, not the legislature. It says, quote, "The legislature is constricting Alabama's federal contractors and putting current and future jobs at risk. BCA will continue to fight federal and state mandates." Governor Ivey, meanwhile, says the law is another way to stand up against what she regards as federal overreach. She released this statement saying, quote, "I will continue doing everything I can as your governor to fight this thing every step of the way. Alabama will not stand idly by and allow the Biden administration to get away with this." Now, I talked to an Austell employee who says that he's been locked out of the system over his refusal to get the vaccine. He says that this new law is a positive step, but comes too late for a lot of people who have already left their jobs over the vaccine. Reporting live in the studio, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.